Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a colorful butterfly. First, I draw the head. And here is eyes. And also mouth. Here is her antenna. I'm drawing the body. And I draw the wings. It's so easy to draw. Try to draw and paint with me. I divide the body with 3 lines. And I draw small circles. Awesome! Let's paint the butterfly. Yellow. I'm going to paint this butterfly with different colors. I like drawing and painting butterflies. They are so beautiful. Butterflies are bright, beautiful and fascinating. I hope you enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Orange. It's a cute butterfly. Red. Green. Blue. Pink. Brown. Purple. Light blue. Amazing! See you on the next video.